Welcome to Basic Calculus Multivariables, Chapter 7.4, Algebraic Identities and Trigonometric Substitutions. Today I'll be doing question number 8, which says to find the antiderivative of the function in the given exercise, question number 1, which I've written down here as 20 over 25 minus x squared. First, we have to use partial fractions to split up this function. Because the bottom function is 25 minus x squared, we can split this up into 20 over 5 plus x and 5 minus x. Continuing onwards, we can now split up the numerator into a over the first fraction and b over the second fraction, thus creating partial fractions. Now we will write 5 plus x under the bottom of a and 5 minus x under the bottom of b. So first, in order for us to be able to add these partial fractions, we have to multiply the denominators of each to find the common denominator. As you see, a has to be multiplied by 5 minus x, while b has to be multiplied by 5 plus x. And this is also the common denominator in the bottom. Now we'll know that this is equal to 20 over 5 plus x over 5 minus x. Now we can get rid of the entire denominator. I'll do this in red. Wait a sec, here. And now we'll be left with, going back to gold, a times 5 minus x plus b times 5 plus x is equal to 20. Now we have to distribute the a and the b in order to find the something. Now a times 5 minus ax plus b times 5, whoops, I apologize for that, b times 5 plus bx is equal to 20. We can continue to write this by taking out the x's. Now x times b minus a plus, and we can get rid of a 5, plus 5 times a plus b is equal to 20. This leads us to write that a plus b is equal to 4, while b minus a is equal to 0. We can continue this with b is equal to a, and a plus b equals 4, meaning a equals 2 and b equals 2. Now, going back to the top, we can bring this back to this particular part here, where we now know what a is and what b is. I apologize, I mean the one that I took out actually. Bringing this downward is now 2 times 5 minus x over 25 minus x squared plus b, which is now 2 times 5 plus x is over 25 minus x squared is equal to 20 over 25 minus x squared. I apologize for that, this is actually a mistake right here. I will now split up the fraction as a over 5 plus x and b over 5 minus x, which is now 2 over 5 plus x plus 2 over 5 minus x. Now we can find the antiderivative of 20 over 25 minus x squared by splitting it up into the integral of 2 over 5 plus x plus the integral of 2 over 5 minus x. Moving this along, it goes like this. Continuing on with u substitution, you put u is equal to 5 plus x and thus du is equal to dx. Now you can write this as the integral of 2 over u du plus 2 over u du. Again, you can use u is equal to 5 minus x, du is equal to negative dx, and take out the negative. Continuing onwards, you can take out a 2 from both of them. Writing this out, you get 2 of the integral of 1 over u du minus 2 of the integral of 1 over u du, and now you find the antiderivative of 1 over u, which happens to be ln of u. 2 times ln of u plus c minus 2 ln of u plus c. And now you substitute in the u's from before of both the u's, and you have found the antiderivative. Now you will write this as 2 of ln 5 plus x minus 2 ln of 5 minus x plus c. And you have now found the antiderivative of 20 over 25 minus x squared dx. Congratulations.